Hey everybody, welcome once again. It is NVR Networks, Vape and Minuteman Reviews, Vapebox Unboxing. So stick around, we'll see you here in just a couple minutes. Okay, let's try this again. This is my third time trying to do it because I kept hitting start streaming. But welcome once again, everybody, to another vape box. I cannot wait for this month. I have cheated and looked at the scramble, so I know at least what my hardware is, and I'm actually excited for it. But we're not going to spoil the fun. Let's go ahead and hop on down and let's look at the box. Now, Vapebox, it is a monthly subscription service, okay? And you can get 4 different subscriptions, which I do not know why it switched off. Okay, there it is. You can get the sampler pack, which is at least 90 mils of e-liquid. Now, mind you, that is only $20 a month. You can get the Juice Lovers, which is $32 a month. You can get their Salt Nick package, which is at least 90 mils of Salt Nick e-liquid for $35 a month. Or you can get the Enthusiast box, which is the same thing as Juice Lovers, at least 120 mils of e-liquid, but you also get 1 to 2 pieces of vape hardware or accessories. So this is the Enthusiast box. Now, I did already cut it with the knife. I didn't open it up completely, but I'm going to show you something. It's a different box color. I love this black box. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. The black, oh, it looks sexy. And I actually like it better than the white. They just started this month with the new boxes, and I have to say I'm really liking the way these look. They look a lot like the old ones. Honestly, I think they look exactly like the old ones, except they're black instead of white. Now, the one thing I think they could have done better, just looking at it already, would have been really sexy to put this vape box in white and to put the logo here in white. But everything else is the same. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and pop her open and see what we got. Okay, now I can already see something that I really don't like they're doing. They've always had a lot of brand new covers. I mean, they used to do paper over top of it every month. Then they started putting these little cardboard covers. Well, this is the same cardboard cover we've had since July. I don't know why they keep using the same one, but they do. And we got our flavor menu, which I'm going to put that to the side because, as always, I'll be able to use it for actually telling you what the e-liquids are and what their flavor profiles are. Okay, this side has the hardware. So right here is the first e-liquid. Oh, come on. Now this one is lychee jelly. I'm not a big fan of the smiley faces with the berries, but you know what? It's not a deal breaker for me. I mean, that's not a deal breaker. Now, I do not like the fact that this does not have the nicotine warning label. I'm pretty sure they're still within the time frame that they don't have to have them. I'd have to look and double check. I do not like, though, that it still does not have it. They could have at least put a sticker right here or put something on it. But that is a 60 mil. Looks like I got a lot of 60 mils this week. Raspberry macaroon. Now, given what we recently heard about how there's a possibility, even pictures of food, which I will do an actual video on something that, I did my video on Sunday, and I've done a little more research, talked with the actual companies, and I've got to call into the FDA. Once I get a call back from the FDA, then we will do another video. I want to have honest proof before I do a video talking about it. Unlike other people, I actually do a little bit of research. But again, 60 mils, raspberry macaroon, 6 milligram. Okay, this one is a 30 milliliter bottle. S&R. R&R White. It is a creamy strawberry glaze and berries. 30 ml bottle. Or no, that's supposed. Oh no, yeah, 30 ml. That's a 30 ml bottle. And another 30 ml. Now, FJZ liquid. I had one of these before. And the bad part is, on my flavor menu, as you see, that one's kind of rubbed off. So, I'd have to go on my actual vape box because I don't know what Bay is. So, Tangy Mango Ice Cream Sorbet. So that might be a decent one. Not a big fan of the smiley face, but you know what? That's a little different. Now, there's supposed to be 2 pieces of hardware in here. Now, the first one is the one that I kind of was able to pick up. The BTFC RDA designed partially by Vapin' Fagan, which, I had said in the past, if I ever got something by Mark, I was going to throw it away. Or I'd want to take a crap on it. Well, this one, looking at some of the reviews, I actually want to review this. I actually want to vape on it and see how good it is according to me. So, that's one I'm actually going to review. So, Mark, if you watch this, which I doubt it, you're actually going to get a review on this channel for it. And lastly, which I'll probably use these in the BTFC, Staple Staggered Fuse Clapton, 4 wraps. So there's 2 coils there. And that is our vape box for this month. So let's go right back up top and we'll see what kind of deal we got for this month. Okay, guys. Now, with everything, we got 180 mils of e-liquid. A total retail value of this box, which, looking at it, a lot of the stuff is what it would be. I mean, the BTFC, they have it for $35, which is about the average going price. Staple Fuse Clapton coil pack, $5, which is about the going rate. 22 for a 60, 13 for a 30, 23 for a 60. Those are about the going rate. So $110. I paid $60 and I saved $50. Now, on the back here, they do have all the warnings and things like that. But like I said, a lot of these still do not have the warning labels. I know they have a little bit of time, but I would like to see Vapebox actually take a step above and maybe go ahead and, if they wanted to cover their own butts, maybe just put the label on there for them. Just cover them, even though they don't have to. I mean, technically, Vapebox does not have to. Technically, these companies have to provide them themselves. But I would personally like to see Vapebox do it. But that about wraps it up for this one, guys. As always, we will see you on Friday night. I'm going to try to... I was planning on doing a couple reviews tonight on top of this, but I was at work until almost 9 o'clock tonight. So I wasn't able to get on and actually do any work. And I wasn't able to actually do anything. So I'm going to try to sit down and do the reviews tomorrow night. I'm going to start using my RDAs, especially this one, because this one looks like it's actually one that I would be able to use, because I actually just opened it. It's not even sealed. So I'll be able. But I will see you guys Friday night. Peace. Nah, just kidding. As always, guys, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. I'm out. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the 2 boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.